Sober signs on my windowsill and said I am ill. She said I am ill. She sang out gently with all her will. She said I am ill. Ooh, I am ill. I empathize with this trembling voice's cries of pain and regret, but a chance to learn to fly. It seems that life is cruel. It seems that love can do game, and everyone is maimed. A little bird sides in a cherry tree that said I've got no leaves. Ooh, I've got no leaves. The winter came and took them like thieves. You see, I've got no leaves. Ooh, I've got no leaves. And I empathize with this trembling voice's cries of pain and regret, but a chance to learn, grow with time.